Join me in the studio, and in this track review masterclass, I'll take you from a remix of Röyksopp's This Time Displays. I'll show you the full original track stems, we'll look at the beats, how I defined the rhythm elements and structure, and my approach to getting the groove right. I used a recent vocal synth called Neptune. This is what I did. I'll show you how I work on my synths to build out the melodies, hooks, and basslines. I'll share my go-to plugins and the effects I picked. Then it's time to mix. We will get into my general approach you will be able to try on your own tracks right away. I'm gonna put it in the master so you know how it sounds all together. Join this masterclass to learn some of my techniques. See you in the studio.